Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a bar tensioner in your chainsaw. The first step to installing the new tensioner is to thread the tensioning pin onto the tensioning screw. I'll set this aside and locate the tensioning gear. The gear has the slot in it for our screwdriver, and this is what actually adjusts the pin. I'll place this gear into the housing. Now I'll place the second gear onto the end of the adjustment screw. And I'll place the bearing block over the gear. And now this assembly can go into the housing. I've aligned it so the pin is pointing out. And now the tensioner assembly gets secured with a screw. And I'll finish by reinstalling the bar and chain. That's how you can install a new bar tensioner in your chainsaw.